Welcome back to GT Auto 2025 Toyota Raize. This compact sedan has quickly made a name for itself with its blend of style, practicality, and performance. Whether you're considering it for a daily driver or a weekend adventure, the 2025 Toyota Raize has plenty to offer. The 2025 Raize stands out with a bold and dynamic design. Toyota has managed to blend sleek styling with a rugged vibe that appeals to those who want something that looks modern and ready for adventure. The front of the car is dominated by a large, aggressive grille that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The sharp headlights with LED elements add a touch of sophistication, while the sculpted body lines running along the sides give it a muscular and sporty look. The 2025 Raize is available with a turbocharged 1-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. This engine produces around 98 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but it's more than enough for the Raize's size and weight. The engine is paired with either a manual transmission or a CVT, and both options provide smooth and efficient driving dynamics. The 2025 Toyota Raize continues to impress with a clean and contemporary design. The dashboard features a simple yet modern design with a digital instrument cluster that provides clear and easy-to-read information. The central touchscreen is user-friendly, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a variety of connectivity options. The materials used throughout the cabin are high quality, with soft-touch surfaces and some premium accents that elevate the feel of the interior. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Raize offers excellent value for money, especially when you consider its features and performance. The base model starts around $20,000, making it one of the more affordable options in the compact SUV segment. The Raize sits on a set of alloy wheels, and the overall proportions make it look compact yet well-balanced. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road with ease, while still offering a confident feeling in corners. When it comes to safety, Toyota has included a range of standard features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Raize is a well-rounded compact SUV that delivers a strong performance, a comfortable interior, and a stylish exterior. If you're in the market for a perfect car, the 2025 Toyota Raize is definitely worth considering.